Welcome to Lesson 8 in Somatic Movement Patterns. This is Part 2, a continuation of our previous lesson, which I called the Dishrag, for reasons that will become evident as we proceed through our lesson. This lesson is well suited for knees, waist, back, and as we move now into Part 2, you're going to see that the lesson is very well suited for the upper back, the arms, the shoulders, and even the neck. Now, if you're not already on your back, lie yourself down, take a nice relaxed breath, begin to turn the focus of your attention more deeply inward. And would you position your arms out to either side with the palms facing towards the ceiling? Notice how your shoulders feel in this position. When I work with people clinically, I observe that sometimes people's shoulders start off way up high, while other people's shoulders are relaxed and flatter down against the floor. But it's always helpful to make before and after comparisons so that you can have some measure of the effects of this work on your body. Now, we have the palms facing up. Would you very slowly lift the thumbs and roll the hands over so that the palms are now facing flat down against the floor? Do that again. Reverse it, roll the palms up, and roll the palms down. Try and make this motion easy. Rolling palm up, rolling palm down. Now notice in the palm down position that the tendency is to peel the shoulders and the upper arms away from the floor. But as you then transition into a palm-up position, it allows the shoulders and the arms to rest more firmly against the floor. One more time. Roll the palms forward and roll the palms back. Now leave your right palm facing upwards and roll just the left palm forward. Now pause here for a moment and notice the difference in how the right shoulder is organized against the floor as compared to the left. And then slowly reverse both arms so that the left palm is up and the right palm is down. Slowly reverse again, feeling that right shoulder pressing firmly back as the left shoulder becomes lighter against the floor. And now, continue on your own, switching the palms slowly back and forth. Go one way and go the other way. And back and forth. And as you continue making this alternating transition between the two sides, would you pay attention to the span that extends from the fingers of the right hand up through the right arm, across through both shoulders, and all the way down the left arm to the fingers of the left hand. And I'd like you to notice how similar this action, this maneuver is to a dish rag. If you've ever had the experience of wringing out a dish rag or a dishcloth, it's very similar to what you're doing with your own body. Hence the name of this movement pattern, the dish rag. Now, one of the things that happens when you wring out a dish rag is it becomes longer. And that's exactly what we're accomplishing with our own body as we go through these various somatic movement patterns, is we're allowing muscles that might be chronically or habitually tight to relax. Muscles that are tight are also muscles that are short. And as you learn to relax tightness from chronically tight muscles, those muscles actually become longer. Now, as you continue turning the arms from side to side in this rolling action, let your head join in the fray. Let your head turn to roll naturally in the direction of whichever palm is rolling up. So when the left palm rolls up, you roll your head to look out at that hand. And do the same on the opposite side. Now, as you include your head in the action here, the muscles of the neck extending down through the shoulders and into the upper back can be similarly relaxed and lengthened. Make this easy, almost lazy. Inhale up, exhale to the other side. Inhale up through neutral, exhale to the other side. Keep this movement easy and relaxed. And do a couple more repetitions before we add in a third and final variable. Now let me introduce our third variable to you, but first a rule. And the rule in somatics is that your knees and your nose don't like each other. So put your feet together. As you roll the right palm up and the left palm down, the head will roll to the right, and both knees can release over to the left. Inhale back up through neutral. Roll up the right palm. The left palm. Turn your head to the left. And drop both knees to the right. Inhale up. And reverse. Inhale up. And reverse. So you can feel that Dishrag sensation of ringing extending all the way down through the spine, down to the knees as well. Inhale up, exhale over, and reverse. When you do this, you can feel a nice arch all the way down through the back as well. Inhale up, exhale over, and one final time. Inhale and release over. Bring yourself back up to neutral. Put your arms down by your side. Straighten your legs out. And relax. This concludes Lesson 8. Thank you.